Hello, my friends. I am inside. Was outside earlier. I'm with the dogs. Chilling out with me, watching TV. Real quick, I just took a test flight out. There's Juliet of the DJI Mini SE. Love it. Flies great. And the only issue that I have with the DJI Mini SE, and I've heard this with a lot of folks who own DJI drones, is issues with Android phones. And yeah, there is an issue. And hopefully DJI will fix this issue. My issue is that it'll find it. It sets up everything fine, but the camera won't come on when you first initialize it, okay? It takes me at least 3 times, sometimes 4, to turn off the controller and the drone until it finds it, and the camera will automatically pop up. It doesn't do it instantly. I've got to literally have it find the drone with controller 3 to 4 times. On average, it's about 3 times. So that's my main complaint about the drone. I love it. When you get everything going, works great. It flies well. The pictures are beautiful, and I'll show that to you. But yeah, Juliet's wanting to get up there. But yeah, that's my main complaint, is that the compatibility with Android phones. I've got the S22, the Galaxy S22 phone, and this great phone. I love it. But yeah, that's the main thing that DJI needs to work on. Maybe their next patch, firmware. But I've seen forums on it. It's almost like they don't take it seriously. Yeah, you need to. I mean, I'm sure these have been returned. I don't know how many times. People just get frustrated with it. But yeah, you need to fix it. And you want to, boom, come right on with the Android phone. That's my main complaint, really. But other than that, yeah, there's plenty of instructions out there, videos on the Mini SE for DJI. I'm not going to do one. I just want to show you so far some of my flying, doing around the neighborhood, and just practicing right now. And I look forward to producing more of these beautiful aerial shots at different locations as well. All right, guys. Hope you enjoy it.